How to make Linktree link? Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make Linktree link. So let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up. Go to Linktree's website and click sign up for free. Enter your email and click continue. You can also sign up using your Google or Apple account. Just note that the email linked to that account will be used for your Linktree. Step 2. Create a username. Pick a username that fits your brand or purpose. This will be part of your Linktree URL, so choose something simple and relevant. Step 3. Select a plan. You'll start on the free plan, which includes unlimited links, QR codes, a shop tab, and social media connection. If you want more features like customization options, link scheduling, and basic analytics, the starter plan at $5 per month could be a good fit. For creators or businesses that need deeper analytics and marketing tools, the Pro plan offers more. It's free for 30 days than $9 per month. And if you need full access to everything, including data export, tailored onboarding, and priority support, the premium plan is available for $24 per month. Step 4. Customize your page. Make your page your own by choosing different themes, fonts, colors, and button styles. You'll even find exclusive designs from artists like Billie Eilish and Daniel Trindle. Step 5. Add your links. Head to the Links tab, paste in your URL, and give it a title. This title appears as a clickable button. You can add unlimited links even with the free plan. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.